Happy Tuesday! All right, friends, it is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. How are you today? I hope amazing. All right, friends, we're going to dive in to a little bit of math this morning. All right, so you did a little bit of this maybe yesterday with your 10 frames and your 10s and 1s on your packet if you chose to do that page. This kind of goes along with it. All right, friends, so we're looking at 10 plus 4. All right, now what is 10 plus 4? What number? It is a teen number, right? Did you say 13? Yeah, no, you didn't, did you? Because that's not the right answer. 10 plus 4 is 14. All right, friends? And I want you to see what happens when I take my 4 and put it over my 0. 10 plus 4 is 14. They match. All right? 10, 4 more is 14. Let's check it. Grab your 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Look, there's our 4 more. All right? Let's do some more of these. All right? I'm going to take this one off. Ooh, here go my magnets. All right? Well, I've got this one here. 10 plus 5. What is 10 plus 5? Okay. Did you say 51? No, you didn't. I'm acting like Puzzled Penguin, aren't I? Puzzled Penguin would say silly things like that. Did you say 15? You're correct. Now watch. Here's our 10. We're going to add 5 to it. We're going to add that 5 to the 1 spot. Look what happens when we do. 15, 15. They match. They're the same. They're equal. Right? It shows us our answer is correct. All right? Let's try another one. Okay? What is 10 plus 3? Got 10. Going to give it 3 more. What does that equal? Okay? I hope you said 13. Right? Let's see if it matches. Taking my 3, putting it over the 1's place. All right, covering up that 0 because it's still a 10. Even though I'm covering it with the 3, there's still a 10 there because the 1 is in the 10's place. The 3 is in the 1's, just like the 0. See? Okay, so 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 and 13, they match. They're equal. We're right. Let's try again. How about this one? 10 plus 9. What does that one equal? Okay, you got 10. We're going to add 9 more. Grab your 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Where's my 19? Oh, here it is. All these numbers. All right. 10 plus 9 equals 19. Let's take our 9, all right, which is a 1's place number. Put it over our 0, which is in the 1's place, and they match. All right? Good. So friends, remember when we're looking at our teen numbers like 19, there's a 10 hiding in there. All right? All right. Let's do a little more math this morning. Here we go. You know what? We're going to use this, I bet, another day. So I'm just going to tuck it behind me here. All right. Oh, right here. Right there. All right. Here we go. Now, we're going to look at some numbers. Okay, and I've got to make sure I've got my right tools here. All right. Here we go. All right, so looking at this number and this number. Okay, what is that number? 4. All right, there's a 4, there's a 4. What can you tell me about them? They're what? They're the same, or they're equal. They're equal. All right, so do this. I'm going to make an E for equal. I'm going to put that between them. Okay? They're the same number. One's not greater. One is not less. They're exactly the same. All right? All right, let's try another one. We might need that equal again. So I'm going to slide him over there. Let's try this one. We've got a 2, and then we've got a 6. Okay? Now, looking at these, all right, 2 is what to 6? Is it equal? Is it greater than 6? Or is it less than 6? What do you think? It's less than. All right, so I'm going to put an L there. 2 is less than 6. It's smaller. Okay? All right. Remember, we're looking at that first number to determine what we're going to say about it. Okay, let's try another one. What's this number? 10. Good job. And this one? 3. Good. All right, so are 10 and 3 equal? Are they the same? Okay. Is 10 less than 3? No. I need a new letter, don't I? What can you tell me about 10? 10 is what than 3? It's greater. All right? So 10 is greater than 3. It's bigger. All right? You'd rather have 10 M&Ms over 3 M&Ms. I know I would. I love M&Ms. Okay, so I'm going to put my G. I'm glad these are so big. I need a bigger board. But we're going to use what we have. All right, let's keep working with less than, greater, and equal to. Here we go. Looking at our numbers, what can you tell me? We've got a 5 and a 1, all right? Which letter am I going to put there? Is 5 equal to 1? Is it less than 1? Is it greater than 1? 5 is greater than 1. It's bigger. All right? 5 is greater than 1. Okay. Let's do another one. Woo. Okay. What number? What number? What can you tell me about 3 and 7? 3 is less than 7. It's smaller. Okay? Okay. Let's crank it up a little bit because you're so smart. What are those numbers? 11 and 19. Now, what can you tell me about those numbers? 11 is less than 19. What if I did... Ooh. My marker's getting funny. What if I did this? What are those numbers? They're both 11, aren't they? Mm-hmm. So, they're equal. They're equal, all right? Sometimes we use this symbol too to show equal or the same, all right? All right, friends. So we're gonna keep working on, greater than, less than, fewer, equal, more, less. I'm gonna use all those different words. All right, friends? All right, good job, good job. Here we go. How many of you yesterday checked out that 50 Nifty United States song? Anybody check that out on YouTube? Super fun. I think you might enjoy learning that and singing along. If we were at school, we would be singing it on the screen together. All right, so check it out if you didn't yesterday. 50 Nifty United States. I think you'll have a lot of fun with it. All righty, here we go. We are moving on to some reading now. All right. What do you see in the sky? High in the sky. All right, think of things that you see in the sky. That moon is beautiful. There's a shooting star and stars. What time of day is this? It's nighttime. All right. Here we go. Up, up, up. I have a fun job here. I am in luck. I can see up, up, up. Wow, isn't that amazing? This is what I can see. A jet can dip. It can zip up, up, up. Yes, a sun is big. A sun can get hot. I bet it can get up. Ooh. I can see a big cup. I can see a little cup. Yes, they are up. See, up, up, up. Is a dim dot on it? Yes, it is a dot. Dim means you can't see it very well. It's light. It is a bit of rock and gas. Oh, look at that. I want to see it zigzag. I can see it up, up, up. Comet. It's beautiful. I can see up, up, up. It is a fun job for me. I cannot quit, quit, quit. All right. Lots of things were up, up, up in our story. Very neat seeing things up in the sky. All right. Let's do a little bit of writing and word building right now, friends. All right. We will use some words from our story. All right. I may also throw some sight words in here for you to write right now. All right. Last week, Maddie wrote her sight words all over in the street. All right, it was beautiful. So she had a lot of fun writing them. I was amazed seeing her standing in the middle of all those 40 words. Good job, Maddie. All right, let's start with the word up. Up. You spell it. Let's see if it matches mine. Okay. Does your word look like this? Up. So lots of things up in our story. Okay. Let's try this word. Dim. D-I-M. Dim. You write it. D. I. Does yours look like mine? I hope so. Try your best. All right, let's do another one. We saw this up in our story. Jet. You write it. J-A-T. Jet. J. Jet. Remember, these little dots, they just float on top. We don't make them huge. All right. Okay. There's also a constellation in our story. All right, and it looks like this type of object. Up. Cup. Up. Let's write it. Up. He showed us the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper in our story. That was up, the cup. Okay, let's do some more writing. All right, kindergarten. Let's try the sight word of. You write it. Of. Did you write this word? I hope so. Now let's write the sight word said. Remember, these aren't sound out words. If you have your VIP folder near you, that would be a help. Hint, hint. So you said. That's your sight word. Here's another little sight word of yours. Write me. I'll give you a hint. It only has 2 letters. Me. Does it look like mine? I hope so. Of, said, me. Let's write some more sight words. Let's do the sight word here. You write it. Here. Did you write this word? Here. It's a little bit bigger than the word me, isn't it? let's end with another sight word, and that word is have. Please write the sight word have. It's another 4-letter sight word. All right, friends. Keep practicing those. All right. Here we go. Okay, friends. Your journal today, all right, for this Tuesday. Oop, my magnets are falling. Here we go. All right. I know all that space is up there at the tippy top, but if you just want to put the digital date, you can do that, friends. All right, so it's Tuesday, but it's April 4-28-20. That would be fine. If you don't want to write the date, it's okay. But this is Tuesday's journal. All right, we are working with the sight word we. All right, remember, friends, you are starting everything with a capital letter. You're remembering your finger spaces. Okay, you're remembering your punctuation. All right, we need to end sentences with either a period or a question mark. All right, or an exclamation point if we're really excited or if it's something that needs a lot of excitement to it. All right. So today you're writing a sentence using the word we. All right, so I'm going to start with the sight word we. Capital letter. Slide down, climb up, slide down, climb up. Hit the ball, run the bases. We can go up. You don't have to write that sentence, but you can if you want. It's full of sight words. We can go up. What's something that goes up? I'm thinking of something really fun that I like to ride when I go to an amusement park. And it goes up, 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 up. You thinking what I'm thinking? It goes fast. Sometimes we sing this song on Go Noodle. I love this roller coaster. You love this roller coaster. I am ready. Remember that? Maybe you haven't done that one in a while. Maybe you should do that today because roller coasters do go up, up, up. All right, there's the track. Roller coasters also go what though? They go down. All right, so I'm gonna just pull my little roller coaster cars right here. Oh my goodness, do I want to go on a roller coaster right now? That would be so fun. What if we put our whole class on a roller coaster? Wow, that'd be a blast. Well, if you like roller coasters, that would be fun. If you don't, that's okay. Some people don't. All right, so we're gonna put people's little heads in there. Right. This is fun. I'm gonna have to add more to this picture later because I'm so excited about going up on a roller coaster. But you might be drawing something else with the sentence we, and that's great. All right. All right, friends, so that is your journal today using the sight word we. All right. You have 5 pages to choose from in your packet today, friends. If you want to do all of these, you can. All right. You don't need to do all 5 of them. This is a lot of paperwork, but you've got choices within here, and that's important for you. So I'd like it if you'd pick a little math and then pick a reading page. All right, so try to do 2 or 3 of these today. All right, friends. Little more with our comparing numbers. We did some of that this morning. This is a different way of showing it with our greater than, less than, and equal to. All right, count the objects. All right, see if they make sense. All right, is the chompy mouth doing the right thing? If it is, it goes on the true side. If it's not, it goes on the false side. All right, so glue those in the right place if you choose this one. Here's a fun one with shapes. Just hunting for hexagons. All right, we know that a hexagon has how many sides, kindergarten? 6, that's right. Ooh, here's a good one. This is the word family. Okay, kindergarten, and you're putting the words in ABC order. All right, when I do pages like this, I sing the ABC song. All right, so in my head I go A, B, 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 bun. It's already there. And I keep going. C, D, E, F. F word, fun, goes next. All right, I keep singing till I get to the end. To put those words in order, you're cutting them out, and then you're writing them. All right, if you want to write about the rainforest today, you want to do some more journaling, go ahead. That would be fun. All right, frogs and monkeys and snakes. All right, this is the ox word family page. All right, I like these because they give you something to read, so this would count towards your reading today. All right, Jill's pets. All right, Jill has some pets. She has a pet fox named Rox. Listen to those ox words. The fox likes to live in a box. She also has an ox. His name is Lox. Jill wants another red fox. All right, so gotta read that a few times and then you've got to answer the questions. So you pick 2 or 3 of these, all right? At least pick one math and pick an ELA or a reading. All right, I had fun learning with you today, reading about things that are up, all right? Saw a lot of cool things in space, all right? And we enjoyed showing things that were greater or less or equal, all right? We also did a good job writing some sound out words and then some of our sight words. All right, my lovelies, have a terrific Tuesday. All right, I love you, I miss you, and I'll see you tomorrow when we get to learn again. Love you, bye.